Hello everybody, so today I'm going to review the Clip 4 here on the left and the Flip 5 on my right. They're both the latest from their series and they both sound amazing. It's just I wanted to demonstrate the slight difference. They both come different price. The Clip 4 at the minute is about 50 quid and the Flip 5 is about £79. They're both in the portable category and I'm going to play a song first on the Flip 4. It's called Enchanté by Slink. Both the phones set at maximum, you will hear it. See, that means maximum. The Flip 5 is as well. So I'm going to control the volume from here. So I'm going to set it at about 80% for now. I switched to the Flip 5 as you probably noticed. Please notice the EQ is hitting everything. It's like from low bass to highs to mids. All of it is just bouncing around. It shows you that it's a full spectrum speaker, which is great. Also notice how bassy it is. Can you see my voice? It's not hitting this side here because I don't have bass in my voice. But if you noticed here, while I'm just going to play it now. Keep looking here around the 70, 60 mark. I'm going to switch to Clip 4. See, that's missing. See how this 70, even 100 is missing, like 70, definitely not the 70, this one here. Yeah, let's change the song. Watch this area here when I change between the Clip 4 to the Flip 5. Don't get me wrong at all. The clip 4 sounds great. Obviously, until you play the Flip 5, but it is great for its size. I'm gonna just weigh them. $5.52 on the Flip, $2.46 on the Clip 4. So twice the size, but it's much more bass and power. So yeah, guys. So they're both very good. But obviously the Flip 5 has more power, and it's slightly bigger, as you can see. It's like twice the size. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you have any comments regarding my video, please mention it below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in another video. Bye.